In primetime news this evening, government makes changes to tax plan on sugary drinks. Hurricane victims left frustrated as they struggle to access state funding, and JLP politicians at odds in Kingston Central, triggering threats of legal action. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onesmartmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Later in this newscast, we will have the business news, but guess who has the preview in sports? It's none other than Dwayne Anderson.
Trading places this evening for sports, and guess what? It's the happiest time of the year, and it's not Christmas. It's actually Champs time in Jamaica. Must tell you, it's also my favorite time on the sporting calendar locally. And guess what? The first day's action sparked into life today at the National Stadium. I'll tell you all about that later on in sports.
Dwayne, I wonder how Clarendon College is doing, but don't answer. We also have Romain, who is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, the windy conditions that we have been experiencing across sections of the north is expected to continue tomorrow, and we do have a drier pattern that is likely across the east. Isolated showers still persist across the west in the afternoons. More in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the announcement that special consumption tax, SCT, on non-alcoholic sweetened beverages will now be implemented in a tiered approach? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center. That is correct, Prince. The rose among the thorns. So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.